How to cast iPhone screen to PC laptop for free. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cast your iPhone screen to your PC or laptop all for free. Whether you want to share photos, play games, or show off your apps on a bigger screen. This method is super easy, so let's get into it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is make sure your iPhone and PC are connected to the same network. Make sure both are correctly connected into the same Wi-Fi network. Both devices need to be on the same network in order to cast the screen. Just check your Wi-Fi on both the iPhone and PC to make sure they're linked to the same network. Now, what you need to do is make sure to turn on Bluetooth on phone and your laptop. Once you've done that, simply to swipe down from the control center and you can simply find an option that says screen mirroring. Once you simply turned on, you can find your device. Now in screen mirroring, simply tap your PC's name. You'll see several options appear on your phone. Tap phone screen to start mirroring your iPhone screen to your PC. The screen of your iPhone will instantly appear on your PC. Now you can view anything on your phone, whether it's videos, apps, or even games right on your laptop. And that's it. That's how you successfully cast your iPhone screen to your PC or laptop.